The other day, I brought my Tesla Model 3 into a local shop to have the tires rotated. And as I was sitting in the waiting room, one of the technicians came out and he said, "Hey, we were just curious. Do you have to have these wheel covers on the tires?" And I said, "Well, you don't have to. These are the Aero wheel covers, and they come on the standard 18-inch tires, and they're supposed to give you a little extra range." And he was like, "Okay. We were just wondering because underneath it are some really good-looking wheels." And I said, "No, I know. I'm just trying to squeeze out a couple of extra miles." And he said, "Well, how many miles do you get?" And I said, "I don't know, maybe an extra 10. And after he left, I started thinking about that. 10 miles makes absolutely no difference to my daily driving routine. You know what? Maybe I would rather my car look a lot better. Now, I am cheap, but I do have some ideas. So let's look into this. Now, this is my wife's car. It's a Model Y, and she's got the upgraded 20-inch induction wheels. And of course, those aren't wheel covers, those are the wheels. And it looks amazing, but it does cost a lot more to do that. All right, again, I am cheap, and we're gonna keep this budget friendly, so we're keeping the 18-inch tires. So we've got 3 options. Option number 1 is that we keep it just the way it is. I know, I'm just saying that it is an option. Option number 2 is we put these wheel covers on. Now, I got these on Amazon for about $115. They've got that turbine blade style, and that closely matches my wife's Model Y. So it makes these tires look a lot better, and I still get my extra range. Or option 3, we just yank these covers off completely, let those beautiful natural wheels shine, and then we put a little center cap cover over there that I also got on Amazon for about $50. And I gotta admit, that does look pretty sharp. And there we have it, the 2 best looking options. And I'll be honest with you, I have no idea which one I'm gonna leave on the car. I'm sure you've got opinions. Please drop those in the comments below. And I will drop links to these 2 items in the description if you wanna go check them out. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.